Hey everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Today I'm going to show you, in addition to building my French cleat, doing a few of the little French cleat hangers. So let's get started. So first off, I'm going to show you. See, I got my DeWalt 20 volt saw. So I'm going to take it off here. As you can see, what it is, here's my cleat there. And it's pretty simple, just some scrap plywood. Did a little angle here because I don't need to really take up much room underneath it. So what I did to make it hold is, you can see I cut a hole for my saw blade, so that way it is sturdy. So what you do is, I'll show you on my saw blade, there is this little lever here. And then that lever allows, hold on, sorry about that, my finger got in the way there. That allows the blade here, well, I wouldn't call it blade, it adjusts the depth of the blade. So you can go, let's see, maybe I can get it better here. See there? So right now the blade would be nothing, but then it goes to full length. It depends on what your saw is. You can get usually 1.5 to 2 inch, maybe a bigger one, even 2.5 or whatever. So what I did is I took my blade here and I sat it on here. For one thing you got to do is you got to remove this guard though first. See that guard there? So when you're gonna chop or cut, you gotta move that blade till it open. So it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So I'm gonna see if I can set my phone down and kind of show you. Let's see. So what I did is, hopefully you can see this, is I put it on the piece of wood, I move the blade here, the guard, hold it up, then I leave this loose, okay? I leave that loose. That way, when I use my saw, I'll put it on the piece of wood, and then I just push down until it creates this hole, right? You see I actually have 2 holes here. The problem was there, hold on, let me pick it up again, is when I put it up, I made this hole first, but I was going to put the blade this way, but this end here, I forgot, would hit the wall. So what I did is I switched it away to put this away from the wall, and now you can see it'll go right in, and you'll see the blade underneath, but now it's sturdy, it won't fall off. Right, so sits on there nice. Got room both sides. It can slap a little bit play because I made the hole a little bit bigger, but barely any at all. And now I can pick it up and move it around, right, to where I want it. No problem. And it's nice and sturdy. And I wanted this to be near my drills because my batteries are here and nice and easy to grab it. And then, you know, if you want to lock this in place, you can do that. So when you pick it up, it doesn't flop down. It's not a big deal. But nice and easy, as I said. I just took a couple. I already had a piece here that was angled in my strap pile, so I just cut two sides to equal. I wanted to make it a little bit longer here than the actual cleat itself that it sits on, so but not too long where I have a plug underneath. So fits nice here. I glued it and screwed it to make it a little more secure, but it doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to do its job, right? So this is my saw holder. Okay, so let's go on to the next one.